Hello everybody, so today I will talk about CPA exam. Here is about exam link for the auditor, and we have the question in here. Assume that the auditor finds one sales order that is missing the proper credit approval in the sample of 100 sales orders. For example, one deviation. Calculate the sample deviation rate in here. So to calculate about the sample deviation rate, we need to have the formula. That's about the missing order divide the total, multiply with 100%, and this is the formula of sample deviation rate. So now we have missing only one cell in here. Divide to 100, multiply with 100%, and you got about 1% in here. Question number 2. Determine the upper deviation rate using table 2 which follows. Here is about the table number 2. And we know that the sample size is about 100 because we have 100 sale order. And the missing order we have only one. So we have 1 and 100 connect together, and we got about the number we need to find is about 4.7, and we write about 4.7 in here. Question number 3. What is the allowance for sampling risk? To answer the question, we need to use about the upper deviation rate is about 4.7% minus about sample deviation rate is about 1%, and we got about 3.7%. Question number 4. Conclusion. The auditor is we have 5% of risk, so we use 100% minus 5%. 5% is from the risk, and we can get about the number we need to find is about 95%. And we can say that 95% sure deviation rate does not exceed 4.7 because 4.7% is about upper deviation rate, but we just calculate only 1%. That's why the number never above 4.7%. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.